Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. In the program we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This trading week, the euro managed to gain ground amid the dollar's weakness and demonstrated an upward movement against its American counterpart. However, after the FOMC monetary policy meeting that was held on Thursday, the most popular trading instrument, euro-dollar, pulled away from early highs and almost got back to the previous lows. Hello, Peter. Your previous outlook for the euro-dollar pair was not confirmed. What do you expect from the pair this time?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what happened since my previous forecast is basically nothing special. Price basically went sideways and traded around the entry of my previous forecast. But what I found according to a 4-hour time frame right now is basically there is a head and shoulders formation on the 4-hour time frame, which is one of the strongest bearish formations in the chart in the technical analysis. So there is a breakout, successful breakout of the neckline, which is the good confirmation the sellers took control from the buyers, and that we have a changing in trend dynamic from bullish to bearish. Now, watch your selling opportunities in this currency pair with the first downward target at the price of 1.1350, which is basically the projection of this head and shoulders pattern. The second downward target is set at the price of 1.1315, and this is basically the key short-term low and the support in this currency pair. This trading idea will be invalid if the price goes and penetrates above 1.1493, because this will, if you see the price trade above this level, this will basically negate this bearish trading idea. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair with the first downward target at the price of 1.1350.
At the same time, your trading advice on the GBP USD pair turned to be rather useful. This trading instrument showed a continuous rise throughout this week, except for today's slight correction. However, the pair did not hit the target levels. Do you retain your outlook for the cable?
On the British pound versus US dollar, since my previous forecast, I suggested you basically that you should watch for buying opportunities previous week. And this idea worked perfectly because the price, the British pound versus US dollar reached the target at 1.3130, and this will be about 200 pips profit, and I hope that you took a good pips on this one. Anyway, right now, my advice to watch for selling opportunities, because I found there is a breakout of the upward trend line, and there is also rejection of the supply trend line at the same time, which suggests basically there is a downward pressure on this currency pair, and that slowly and steady the sellers taking control from the buyers. So again, watch for selling opportunities in this currency pair with the downward targets at the price of 1.2960 and 1.2700. Both downward targets are based on the previous price action according to a 4-hour time frame, and they represent the support levels.
Remarkably, the forecast for the euro-AUD pair was accurate. As a result, traders managed to gain profits. What can you say about this pair now?
On the euro-Australian dollar, what I found is a very strong downward momentum in this currency pair, and the trend is absolutely downward. So you should watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair. The thing here is that I suggest you watch for selling opportunities, and this is working very good, and currently is about 80 pips profit since my previous bearish forecast. I still see further downward movement on this currency pair, so you should still watch for selling opportunities. But the downward targets are set the price of 1.590 and 1.5475, and both targets are based on the previous price action according to a 4-hour time frame. Again, strong downward pressure. The trend is absolutely downward, so watch to go with the trend. Watch for selling opportunities on the euro-Australian dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trades and see you soon.